there, trader, and welcome back to the Altchica channel. Or if you're new here, then welcome to the most accurate altcoin channel on the planet. First of all, congratulations on achieving 23.33% profit on LU and BTC call, which I gave you all in my free Altchica channel. It dropped exactly as predicted into our entry zone at 990 sats and then spiked back up and met our targets. Also, congrats on LTC call that hit target 1 and made 3.9% profit. BCH call that hit target 1 as well and made 3.7% profit. And lastly, Tomo call that hit target 1 also and made 13.1% profit. Very well done, congrats everybody. I made many more accurate predictions in my VIP group that actually has over 95% accuracy rate. If you want to join it, please send me a message at Altchica on Telegram. For now, let's move on to the new setups. The first coin is INS. INS has been struggling to break from the support and the 4-hour block zone. We have yet again entered back into support. This has been a strong area to hold and it is considered a great zone for potential buy-in entry. We do not have a clear green wick reversal candle yet, so the potential buy-in is tended to be a bit wider. I expect another wave from the zone to break the 50 and 100 MA at target 1 of 2400 sats. RSI and Starch are following path to flip to a bullish wave and a further pump is expected. This should be followed up by another attempt to break the 4-hour block resistance at target 2 of 3010 sats. Target 2 is long-term target and might take up to 2 weeks. The second coin is CVC. CVC looks to be following a fake breakdown as the collapse hit the upward trend line and bounced off in a bullish move. CVC is back above the 50 and 100 MA. RSI is bouncing off some previous highs in the past and Starch is about to cross the bullish uptrend. I expect the momentum to bring CVC to the next wave up to a triple top at 525 sats, target 1. Then on the long-term targets of 610, target 2, and lastly right near the 200 MA at 690 sats. I expect some pullback as we enter the zone of 200 MA and the daily resistance block. The third coin is ETH. ETH looks to be breaking down, currently sitting on the previous top of the falling wedge. It is expected for ETH to break back down into the falling wedge to hit the potential buy zone. The 50 MA is looking to cross the 100 MA. At this exact point, ETH should see a turnaround. I expect a bounce back outside of wedge and onward towards the 200 MA. If ETH does tank, breaking through buy zone, look for a triple bottom at the temporary support zone for a hold here. The fourth coin is BCH. BCH has recently hit all of our targets for our previous long call. Now it has hit a well-known top. This is a good sign to wait for a possible retrace. I expect the potential buy zone to become a temporary support zone in which we will bounce off of. 50 and 100 MA still sit far below near 0.028. Therefore, wait for a confirmed reversal daily green wick before entering a long. In the long-term outlook, BCH should break through this daily resistance level as the volume level has seen a steady bullish increasing pattern. And the last coin for today is XRP USD. XRP has broken through the trend line and bearish pattern. 50 and 100 MAs are also close to crossing, which means further downside is incoming. There may be a small pullback to the trend line before a further drop, so don't rush to enter this one. Wait until we hit the ideal buy zone near the mid 0.28 level. In the zone, you can spread your buyings to average the best entry. The daily and 4-hour RSI have plenty of downside crossing in on them. Better to wait this wait for a much better long entry. This will be it for today. Please remember that you can also follow me on TradingView because I post my analysis there as well. And please support me by linking my charts. I will post a link to them in the description below this video. I'll see you next time. I'm Alex and this is Altchica.